Let us now draw a flowchart to calculate the area and circumference of a circle. In order to calculate the area of a circle, the formula is pi into radius and circumference is 2 pi into radius. So here if you see, I'm using a constant called as pi whose value I'm going to assume it to be as 3.142. I am not going to ask the user to enter the value of pi because pi is a predetermined value or a recurring decimal which is 22 by 7. So what I need to do is I need to understand what is the input for solving this particular problem. What is the input to calculate the area and circumference? I just need the radius. But before that, I need to give a fixed value to the pi, which is 3.142. So if I have to draw a flow chart, I will start something like this. I'll say start. Okay. What is the next step? Since I am defining or giving an initial value, I am not reading it. I am asking the CPU to give the memory location pi to 3.142. I am going to say pi is 3.142. That is why I am putting it in a square box. So pi is 3.142. Next step, what I need to do is I need to calculate the area and circumference. But in order to do that, I need to read or get the area from the user. So here I am going to say read r, or I can say read radius. So once I read the radius, what is the next step I need to do? I am ready to calculate the area and circumference. So now I can have a big rectangular box to calculate the to calculate the area and circumference. I can say area is pi into radius into radius. All right. And what about circumference? Circumference is 2 pi r. So I can say CRCM, which stands for circumference, is 2 into pi into radius. And in the last step, I can go ahead and I can print the value of area and circumference. And then finally do a stop. Okay. So here take a look at what I have tried to do. I am interested to calculate the area of a circle as well as the circumference. The only input value I need is the radius. Everything else I can calculate once I have the value of pi. So after I do the start, I define pi as 3.142 and give it a fixed value. Then I read the radius from the user. Then area is pi into radius. Circumference is 2 into pi into radius. I am going to print area and circumference and then I am going to stop. Look at the different symbols used. Since I am giving an initial value, I am not reading or writing. I need to use the rectangle or the process symbol. Since I am trying to read and display, I am using the parallelogram. Since I am doing some calculation, I need to use a rectangle, and finally the start and the stop symbol.